How to fix error 0x80070643 in Windows 11. To fix error 0x80070643 in Windows 11, try 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Run a system file scan as admin. Command, sfc/scanO. 3. Install the latest .NET Framework 4.8 at https://.net.microsoft.com/download/.net-framework/net48. 4. Repair current.NET Framework installation, S, via Microsoft.NET Framework repair tool at https://www.microsoft.com/n-gb/download/details.aspx?ID =$30135 5. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus software. 6. Change the software distribution subfolder name. Run these commands as admin. netstop wowserv netstop bits rename c:\windows/soft twa redistribution software distribution.bach netstart wowserv netstart bit 7. Reset the cachro2 folder. Run these commands as admin. netstop cryptsvcmd system root /system 32 /cachro2.old copy system root /system 32 /cachro2 system root /system 32 /cachro2.old/s now. Delete all items at c:\windows /system 32 /cachro2. Run netstart cryptsvc. Command 8. Update Windows Defender signatures. Run these commands as admin. %program files %\Windows Defender \ndren.exe remove definitions all %program files %\Windows Defender \ndren.exe signature update %program files %\Windows Defender \ndren.exe signature update MMPC 9. Update your Windows 11 in its clean boot status.